So new firmware for 1More Evo. So with the original 1More Evo firmware, you can only choose either you want to use the Sonar Works or you use the EQ, but not both. So the good news now is that with the new firmware update, you can use both. You can use the SonarWorks capability together with your own EQ. It's also available with this firmware update, 12 additional preset EQ that were created by various sound engineers around the world. Choose whichever one you would like and you can, you're good to go. All you have to do is open your 1More app and do the firmware update. Follow the instructions over there, and that's it.